Today is moving day for Drew's dad. We're at where?
Overture.
Overture 55 plus, right?
Yep.
Let's turn some lights on. It is a big step up from where we came from.
At half the price.
At half the price. It is beautiful. Look at this.
But I don't get cheeseburgers.
Oh, no cheeseburgers. You can still get cheeseburgers. This is a 1-bedroom. Here's the bedroom.
Let me sit down and wait till you get the door open.
This is, look at this bathroom. Man, I'm impressed. This is posh. How much was it, Drew? It's like $1,300. So don't quote me on that, but this is the shower, and look at this closet. Oh my gosh, I might rent me a place here. This place is gorgeous. I love it. So here's the closet. Look at all this stuff. This is gorgeous. Yeah. What's this? Oh, this is back into the bedroom again. And this is the living room area. There is also a balcony, as you can see. This is what the grounds look like.
This is looking south.
This is south facing.
Yep, so they get to watch the sun come up and go across and
There's the moon. We have a full moon tonight. It's actually a blue moon. That's what Robert said. He said a blue moon means 2 full moons in the same month.
But the last one was in October.
Okay, well he might have his days off a little bit, but look at this big fridge.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Check that out.
It's got the nice underneath freezer.
The freezer.
Yeah, look at that. It's already got ice in it. Dishwasher.
You see what I came from?
Yes, this is gorgeous. Look at this sink. I'm very impressed. Let me show you guys the hallway too, because it is really nice. So you see we're on the 3rd floor.